What's up, traders? You are tuned in to the ALEXFOREX trading community, where every trade is a lesson and every lesson breeds success. And today I'm going to share my trading ideas for this next week, and let's break it down now. As you know, this is my first pair of the week, USDCAD, and I have been trading USDCAD from last week, and today I still holding USDCAD. And every day when I'm coming to the chart, I always said the best thing or the first thing have to do is to look in the past. USDCAD, we are still buying this pair because the market reached the strongest area of interest. As you can see how the market is respecting this area of interest. Now whenever you're under, we are selling, whenever you're above, we are buying. You can see here how the market is respecting, and we are under the EMA. And if you look at the market structure is bullish, weekly is bullish, that is bullish, 4 hours is bullish, we are above the EMA, we are rejecting this psychological level 137,500, and that is enough to buy this pair. You can see how the market created this triple bottom or head and shoulders pattern inverse. That's indicating the market is going to reverse. Guys, have to understand, when you are analyzing the market, you have to understand the candlestick pattern. When you see the candlesticks pattern or the candlesticks, because these candlesticks are here representing who is in control in the market. For example, for USDCAD, how you can interpret this USDCAD and identify control. Let's fast forward from here. You can see from here the market create lower highs and lower low, means the sellers are in control. Can you see this is the lower high, this is the lower low, this is the lower high, this is the lower low. That means the market structure. Means market structure from here was bearish because the sellers are in control. But look, the market, whenever reaching this area, the market start creating equal highs and equal lows. It means here the market doesn't give us the opportunity to hold the trade long, or to trade for example, when the market reaching here and they start creating equals and equal lows, means all the sellers and buyers have equal powers. Means no one is in control, like here when the market was creating equal highs, for creating lower highs and lower low, because here we have equal highs and equal lows. And the moment the market create or break this zone, this ranging zone, means the buyer started taking control, because this was market, this was just downtrend market, and now start ranging. After start ranging, breakout from ranging zone, and after breakout from ranging zone, break this recent to lower high. After break this recent to lower high, it gives us a new higher low and higher high, and the market come back to react to this strongest area of interest, create what we can call the new higher low, in order to breed new higher high. That's why we are buying this market. That's how you can understand the price. That's how you can interpret these candlesticks right here and understand who is in control, in order to know how I'm gonna to press my button. If I press buy, if I press sell. You have to press the buy or sell whenever you have more information to the pair you are buying, or instrument you are buying or you are selling. That's why we are buying USDCAD. So this is my first pair of the week, and you see the last week this candle from first day. This is the first day candle engulfing all like 4 candlesticks, and this is the Friday candle. I hope next week we hit the TP if the market doesn't reverse, but the more chance or more probability here is to buy. And That's how I'm looking this USD card, because I follow the trend. Trend is bullish, you know. And the next pair will be Euro AUD. Euro AUD is the same thing. I say all you have to do is to look in the past. You know, Euro AUD, you start by identifying the market structure. Market structure in weekly time frame is bullish, day time frame is bullish, and 4 hours time frame is bullish. You have a 3 time frame in sync. And the most important thing, you can see how the market is presenting the price of USD card. It's presenting the price of the USD card by implementing or generating this inverse head and shoulders pattern in this range or in this area right here. And we are above the EMA. So you can see how the market have been struggling to break this zone, and if the next week the market break this zone and retest this zone, means the next move of the market is gonna be this recent highest price of the Euro AUD. So what's the first thing can be in your mind when you see this pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern? Inverse head and shoulders pattern is the pattern that indicates the market was selling and is no longer selling, is gonna start buying, because it's representing the market is gonna start reversing. If we are selling here, you can see how the market shift structure in here. I mean, that's the data frame. You can see how the market is shifting structure right here and create a lower high and lower low. And can you see here how the market create new lower low and this become lower high? And you can see here how the market have already break this lower high, this lower high. That means the market structure shifted have been done right here, and this become new higher low and this become high. And I believe to confirm if the USD card is gonna buy, sorry, EURAUD is gonna buy, we wait the market to break this zone right here, and we wait retest and reject this EMA, and we buying with proper risk, you know, because this market is very looking very bullish with this ginormous, very beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. And let me do like that. Imagine if I say like that. Imagine if the chart is looking like that, is in inverse mode. This, can you see how the market is creating beautiful inverse head, inverse left shoulder, hair, right shoulder, and all you have to do is to wait the market break this area and reject this EMA, reject this psychological level and this area of interest, and they give us the interest signal in order to buy the EURAUD. You know, that's what happened right here. And this was inverse scale. This gives us good opportunity, good probability to buy EURAUD, because have more reason to buy than more reason to sell. But in the market, nothing is guaranteed. That's why you have to wait to mark confirmation. You have to wait interest signal, where the market break and retest this zone in order to get precisely this trade and with good risk management trade. That is EURAUD, you know. And the next pair will be AUDUSD. AUDUSD, the market is very looking, this is a high risk trade anyway, because weekly is bullish, but you can see how the market is reacting in this area. You know, you can see how the market is reacting in this area. I totally believe if the market break this zone and it will retest and reject this EMA, this psychological level, we'll be selling the market, because the market is the same thing on USDCAD. Can you see the market have been struggling to break this zone, this horizontal here, and they end up hit triple top or head and shoulders pattern, and the market break this zone. We anticipating to sell like here, and doesn't happen. The market buying a little bit, and I still believe after the market feel this imbalance right here and creating this bearish and goofy candlesticks in the daily time frame, and If you know in the data frame you are in bearish because this is recent high and this recent higher low, the moment the market break this higher low, this become lower high and this become lower low. That means the moment the market doesn't break this zone, we are still bearish in data frame, and the forward is same like that. And in order to buy this AUDUSD, we will wait the market to break this under area of interest, retest clearly, give us interest signal, and then we sell the market, and our TP will be like last structure of the market in data frame. This is how I look at USD. This is how I understand the market. You have to trade the pair if you understand it very well. Don't try to solve hard problems in the trading. If you are not understanding the price or the price, how the prices move, just reject the pair and go find another one looking well. And fourth pair will be GBPCAD. GBPCAD, this pair have been trading for more days. You remember how we are selling under this area of interest, and the market last week had bull run. You can see how the market is buying from last week, and I believe if you look in the past, like always we do, can you see the market whenever we are above this area we are buying, but we are at highest price. That's why we have to be careful. But if the market come back, reaches this area, give us interest signal, I will be buying the GBPCAD until this zone. And if you come in 4 hours time frame, you can see how GBPCAD retest this area before half push. That's why you should expect the market to retest this area before half push until do this last. That's the highest price of the market. So because this is always happen, we trade support and resistance. If we trade the support and resistance, nothing more. We buy from the support, we will sell from the resistance. Now we are above the support. That means where the market resets the support and get buys. That is enough. Let's go on GBPCAD. Sorry, Euro GBP. This is the 5th pair of the week. GBPCAD, Euro GBP, you may know how to understand the price. You can see the price of Euro GBP in that time frame. You can see the market how is moving, create highs and lows. Guys, if you know to understand the market structure, you can see this is the highest higher low, high, and this is highest higher low. The moment the market break this zone, means this become lower high, this become lower low. And can you see the market how the market failed to break this zone and create double top? And I'm anticipating the market next week will break this area, retest this zone, and we short. And here we have a psychological level right here, 0.86 thousand. That is strongest psychological level we're selling from. But we should, to confirm, we will wait the market to break this zone. And if you look in the past from Euro GBP, you can identify how the market is respecting this area. Can you see? The moment the market break this zone, let me show. The moment the market break this zone, can you see we are selling? Whenever we are under, we are selling. The moment we are above, we are buying. But weekly is bullish, there is bearish, forwards bearish. And why we are expecting for selling this market? Because the market is trying to creating double top in their time frame. That is the strongest pattern and strongest strongest signal indicator the market is going to reverse from bullish to bearish. And we will see in the next week, and we are try to check this EMA, and I believe this market is gonna sell next week. But we are waiting. Patience pays. We wait the market to break this area in order to get sales, And this is last pair of the week is GBPAUD. This is the last pair of the week. This is the last pair of the week. This GBPAUD is last pair of the week. GBPAUD weekly is bullish, 4 hours is bullish, daily is bullish, the market structure is bullish. Let me show you. I always told you have to identify the market structure before you put your area of interest, because this, can you see from here, this is the last lower low of the market whenever we have been downtrend from this area, and the moment the market break this recent higher low, this become new higher low and this become high. And can you see, whenever we are at this area of interest, can you see the market break, retest, buy, break, retest, buy? Have to look in the past what happened, and I am anticipating now next week the market will come to retest this area like he always do, and after retest, like he always will do, after retest we are going to buy. We buy from the support and we sell from the resistance, and we are waiting something like double bottom in 1 hour time frame, because if you come in 1 hour time frame, you will identify the market. Whenever we are on area of interest, the market create double bottom and we buy, create double bottom, we buy. You have to understand what happened in the past is what happened in the future. Just wait the probability to come to you and you take the trade and understand the price very clearly. So that's what we were waiting over here. We'll wait the market to become at our area of interest. After becoming to area of interest, wait a reversal pattern like double bottom or inverted and shoulders, because we are looking for buys from the support and we get buys. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this session, and this week I will be interested in these 6 pairs: USDCAD, EURAUD, AUDUSD, GBPCAD, Euro GBP, and the GBPAUD. That is it this week. And DXY, let me give you an intro on DXY. DXY is at lowest point. Monthly time frame is bearish, a very looking bearish monthly time frame, and weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, for us bearish, but we are at support. You should anticipating pullback or we break this zone and we sell, but stay with my pairs. So let's see how this week is gonna end, and this is and I will be update you on Wednesday and on Friday how the market is closed. So you have been watching the ALEXFOREX from ALEXFOREX Trading Hub Community, where discipline breed the profitable traders. Until next week or next time, trade smart, not harder. So God bless you. See you in the market. God bless you guys. ALEXFOREX signing out.